Brie is tinkering with a quirky clock filled with gears, glowing lights, and buttons in her bedroom. BooBoo sniffs around curiously. Brie says, "Hey, friends! I just invented something amazing, my very own time travel clock. It can take us anywhere in history." BooBoo barks excitedly. BooBoo paws at the clock and accidentally presses a glowing red button. Brie says, "BooBoo, wait! You activated it!" The room spins into a swirl of colors, and they vanish into the clock. The swirling colors fade, revealing the pyramids of Giza under a golden sun. Camels and palm trees dot the landscape. Brie and BooBoo are dressed in ancient Egyptian attire. Brie says, "Wow, BooBoo! We're in ancient Egypt. Look at those pyramids, they were built as tombs for pharaohs." BooBoo is excited about the surrounding pyramids. A friendly child dressed as an Egyptian introduces themselves. "Hello. My name is Imhotep. Let me show you how we write using hieroglyphs." They draw symbols in the sand, and Brie explains how ancient Egyptians communicated. The time clock spins again, landing Brie and BooBoo in the courtyard of a grand medieval castle. Knights are training with swords, and villagers bustle about. Brie says, "This is the Middle Ages. Look, BooBoo, real knights in shining armor." BooBoo is excited again, barking at the young squire. A young squire approaches them. Squire says, "Greetings. Would you like to learn how knights prepare for tournaments?" The squire shows Brie and BooBoo a wooden practice sword and shield. Brie tries it, while BooBoo hilariously attempts to chase after the knight's horse. The clock spins one last time, landing them in a dusty Wild West town. A saloon, sheriff's office, and horse-drawn wagons are visible. Brie says, "Howdy, partner. BooBoo, we're in the Wild West." BooBoo is barking excitedly. A friendly cowboy greets them. Cowboy says, "Welcome, folks. Wanna help me herd cattle?" Brie rides a horse, learning how cowboys guided cattle, while BooBoo tries to herd them himself, hilariously causing chaos. Brie and BooBoo return to their room, slightly dusty but smiling. Brie says, "Time travel is so much fun. We learned so much about history today. Where should we go next time?" BooBoo, tired but happy, wags tail. "Thanks for traveling through time with us. See you next adventure. Please like and subscribe."